Hi, my name is Eric Gadet, and today, for the self-disclosure video, I will be talking about a relatively recent achievement for me, and that is the grade I got on my research paper I did just last semester for my composition class. Now, this is an accomplishment for me just because the grade I got was higher than any other grade for any research essay I had ever done. And I think the reason I got that kind of grade were for two main reasons. The first of which being the topic I chose. Now, unlike other essays that I've had to write where I'm given a specific topic, I actually got to choose what topic I got to do, and that really made it interesting because I was able to do it on something I enjoyed. In this case, it was dragons, and I know some of you may think that's very childish, but I like them. I find them fascinating, and with this, I was able to look up all different types of dragons across so many different religions that it was so interesting to me, and I think that's part of the reason why I got such a good mark. Another reason I think I got such a good mark was because of my teacher's enthusiasm and even, what's the word? I think how he encouraged me to keep going with this one. Like, at first he was a bit skeptical on it because he also was just as confused as probably I think some of you are. But when I gave my example of how so many cultures can have one specific type of dragon that looks so similar no matter how it's described, he also joined in on it. Now, the examples I chose were a Japanese dragon of the underworld, which name I can't pronounce, but I know it has 8 heads, crimson body, and yeah, that was basically the main thing. And then there were 2 other dragons that fit almost the exact same description. The second was the Hydra of Greek mythology, the 7-headed serpent of the swamp. Now, no color, it hasn't exactly said what scale color it has, but it's also an identical physical match. And then the last one was the biblical one, which is the biblical dragon. Now there's only one, and that is the aforementioned beast, whose number is 666. It is described as a 8-headed dragon with 9 crowns, 10 horns, and a crimson body, just like the Japanese one. When I told my teacher about this, he became incredibly interested that all these religions across time and just like across time, and also how geologically isolated each one was, how all of these had such a similar dragon, and that encouragement I think really helped. And when I got my grade back, which was a 90, that was really surprising because I wasn't expecting to get such a high mark. But I think what I'm trying to get at with this is that when you're in a class, you need to try and find something that really grabs your interest or something you've already looked up and enjoyed. If you can do that, like with what happened with me, I think your grades can skyrocket, and I think that's what I'm trying to get at. In class, find something that you find interesting or have already found interesting and enjoy doing, and then the rest of the class will seem just as fun. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.